Yeah. Sometimes these comment sections, got me all riled up, man. I can't help to feel bad for you guys, though, You can't seem to think for yourself, I mean, like, all it takes is like 2 minutes just like, think something through before you hit my comment section, And now you calling me a hater, man? I might be jealous of the views, but I ain't jealous of his Lamborghini or his Xbox. Let's be real here.
It's Neriku.
Imagine that, You say I'm sipping hate by the truckload. It's funny that you say that, cuz you taking dicks by the buttload. Spoon-fed BS on the daily, you eat it up like a nematode. I'ma ball on your bitch. AD Rose at the free throw. I warned you, man, never wanna mess with me.
Bang bang.
Asking questions now? Why they testing me?
Squad.
POG video got you saying we? Who a hater now? You want a comment spree?
Ayy.
This is my game.
Ayy.
This is my game. Finding the strange, exposing the lame. Diaper lovers beware. Baby Lee, stay over there.
Get back.
These bars are insane.
Yeah.
This is my game.
Gay. Hey.
Wee, what you saying? Why you riding on Pogs Dingling?
Gay.
Think for a second, yeah? Before hopping on the man meat. Ignorance is bliss, ho. Now call your pimp Gertie.
Joe.
I just muddied up these comments. This shit's getting murky.
What?
These weird boos may not seem strange to you. Filthy Frank, I got news for you. What I'm saying's true.
Word.
Don't believe me now? Your man's a trap.
Huh?
Try to warn your ass. How's that grinder app?
Ayy.
This is my game.
Ayy.
This is my game. Finding the strange, exposing the lame. Diaper lovers beware. Baby Lee, stay over there.
Get back.
These bars are insane.
Bitch.
This is my game.
Gay.
This is my game. This is my game. Finding the strange, exposing the lame. Diaper lovers beware. Baby Lee, stay over there. These bars are insane. This is my game.
Yeah.